Most people get this wrong. They think once a Reddit post is published, it's set in stone. The truth is, you can edit your post easily in the Reddit app, and here's how. First, open the Reddit app and navigate to your profile. Tap on the post you want to edit. On the post page, you'll see three dots in the top right corner. Tap that menu. From the drop-down options, select Edit Post. Now, you can change the text of your post, update links, or fix typos. Make sure to read through carefully before saving, because the changes will be visible to everyone. After editing, tap Save or Confirm, and your post will update instantly. Reddit also marks posts as edited, so users know it's been updated. The surprising truth is that you can't change the subreddit or the title on some posts after publishing, so be mindful when posting. Also, posts with locked comments or posts in certain communities may not be editable. In conclusion, editing posts on Reddit is quick and easy via the app, and it's perfect for correcting mistakes or adding additional information. Just remember some restrictions apply, so double-check before posting. Subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks to manage your posts effectively.